Well, hello from Storm Team 10. Welcome back on this snowy Tuesday evening. It's hard to believe it's just Tuesday of this week. But we have a look here at the Storm Team 10 storm tracker. Here's where the heavier snow is. At times earlier today, it was coming down at about an inch an hour, actually a little more than an inch an hour. It has let up somewhat. And we still have some snow going on out here, and the snow exists farther back out here to the west. And so I think we'll continue to have snow through the nighttime hours tonight as well. So we're going to continue this snow, and we'll continue to have a winter storm warning in effect at least until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's Eastern time. This is midnight tonight, and then we go through the overnight hours. We continue to have snow, at least off and on. Probably the intensity of the snow will die down somewhat, but I don't think the snow is going to quit altogether. And if it does, it's not going to quit for a very long period of time. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Still some light snow in the area. As the day goes on, we get to the middle part of the day, about noon, then I think the chance of snow is probably going to taper off. And as we get further into the day, maybe a few lingering flurries, and that'll be about it. What will happen tonight is we'll continue to have breezy conditions, and as we continue to accumulate some snow, some of that will be blowing around. Matt talked about that, especially when you get out in the country and out in the flatlands, the prairie areas of Illinois. That's where the snow can really blow and drift around. Here's Thursday morning at 6 a.m. and then we get into the day on Thursday, and we may have a few breaks in the clouds. We may have actually a little bit of sunshine on Thursday. However, it's going to be cold. It's going to get cold tomorrow night, and it'll stay cold on Thursday. Snowfall potential, we're already at about 6 inches here in Terre Haute. A little farther to the south, you have a little bit less than that, and I think many of us could still top off at about 8 inches of snow, and perhaps a little more farther to the north, a little bit less, a little bit farther to the south. Temperature right now is 23 degrees here in Terre Haute, 22 in Paris, so the temperature has not dropped a whole lot over the past, 6 or 7 hours. Robinson 27, Vincennes has 28 degrees. Look at this wind though. The wind has picked up to 14 miles per hour out of the north-northeast, 13 miles per hour straight out of the north in Paris. That's a cold wind too. Robinson has a 12-mile-per-hour breeze, and you get on Highway 1 in between Marshall and Robinson, and that's a desolate stretch of highway, especially on a night like tonight. Wind chill right now has been reduced to 11. So precipitation potential again, upwards of about 8 inches of snow, not out of the question as we get into the overnight hours and into the day tomorrow. Snow likely will continue tonight, maybe a little snow and sleet possible to the south, but I think the chance of that is probably tapering off. Then all of the snow will taper off as we get into the day tomorrow. High tomorrow of 27 degrees, but snow will continue to blow around. And then for tomorrow night, cloudy, becoming much colder. An overnight low tomorrow night down to about 1. And then on Thursday, high of 12. An overnight low Thursday night, 0. And then on Friday, a high of 16. And then we have another chance of snow as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Looks to me like we could have maybe another couple inches of snow on Saturday and Sunday, and that's another system we'll monitor. We'll take care of this one first, and stay tuned.